Hey everyone, we're back with another round of the coolest gadgets from Amazon. You can find the links to all the products in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell for notifications. Let's go. Dyson V11 Origin Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Dyson V11 Origin takes cordless cleaning to a new level with 60% more suction power and up to 60 minutes of runtime. Its 3 power modes, Auto, Eco, and Boost, adapt seamlessly to various cleaning needs, ensuring efficiency for every task. The innovative LCD screen provides real-time updates on power mode, remaining runtime, and maintenance alerts, making it incredibly user-friendly. The motorbar cleaner head effortlessly tackles dirt on all floor types, while the hair screw tool specializes in removing pet and long hair without tangles. Its versatility shines as it converts into a handheld vacuum for cars, stairs, and upholstery. Designed for modern homes, it balances power with practicality. With advanced filtration and ergonomic design, the Dyson V11 Origin ensures deep cleaning without the hassle of cords. Whether you're maintaining carpets, hard floors, or tackling tricky corners, this vacuum is a reliable ally for a spotless home. For pet owners and busy households, it's a game changer. Dyson Supersonic Hairdryer. The Dyson Supersonic Hairdryer combines speed, precision, and protection for flawless styling. Its powerful V9 digital motor and intelligent heat control prevent extreme heat damage, ensuring healthier, shinier hair with 75% more smoothness and up to 132% increased shine. The 4 included attachments, including the flyaway smoother, cater to all hair types and styles, from straight to coily. Fast drying meets controlled styling with specialized tools like the gentle air attachment for sensitive scalps and the flyaway attachment for sleek, polished finishes. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it's easy to handle for at-home or professional use. Engineered for efficiency, the Supersonic delivers salon-quality results in a fraction of the time. Whether tackling frizz or creating defined curls, its versatility is unmatched. A must-have for anyone serious about hair care, it redefines the hair-drying experience with innovative technology and luxurious results. Dyson Airwrap Complete Long. The Dyson Airwrap Complete Long is a revolutionary all-in-one styling tool that dries, curls, smooths, and shapes without extreme heat. Powered by the Coanda effect, it styles with air, protecting hair health while reducing frizz by 58%. With 6 re-engineered attachments, it caters to all hair types and lengths, offering versatility for every look. From defined curls with a 1.2-inch barrel to sleek strands with the smoothing brushes, this tool transforms damp hair into stunning styles effortlessly. The 2-in-1 Coanda Smoothing Dryer preps hair for styling or delivers a polished finish by hiding flyaways. Ideal for creating salon-worthy results at home, it's intuitive and easy to use, with heat and airflow settings tailored to your needs. For those looking to elevate their styling game, the Dyson Airwrap is a high-performance, heat-free solution that delivers impeccable results every time. Dyson Hot+Cool AM09 Fan Heater. The Dyson Hot+Cool AM09 Fan Heater offers year-round comfort with air multiplier technology for smooth, consistent airflow. In cold weather, its ceramic plates heat quickly, providing rapid warmth, while in hot weather, the amplified airflow cools efficiently. The jet focus control allows for precise personal heating or broad room coverage, adapting effortlessly to your needs. With a programmable sleep timer and smooth oscillation, it's perfect for creating the ideal environment at any time of day. The curved, magnetized remote makes adjustments convenient, storing neatly on the device when not in use. Its sleek, bladeless design ensures safety and easy cleaning, while its 7-degree oscillation covers every corner of the room. Whether you need a gentle breeze or powerful heating, the AM09 is a reliable, stylish addition to your home that prioritizes performance and convenience. LEVOIT Air Purifiers Core 400 SP. The LEVOIT Core 400 SP Air Purifier is your ultimate solution for fresher air in any space. With advanced Vortex Air and AirSight Plus technology, it tackles airborne pollutants like dust, pollen, pet dander, and VOC odors across up to 1,980 square feet. Its patented ARC formula technology neutralizes kitchen odors, while the laser dust sensor continuously updates the PM 2.5 display for real-time air quality insights. Quiet yet powerful, its sleep mode operates at a whisper-quiet 24 dB, ensuring a restful night's sleep. The high-performance HEPA filter captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.1 microns, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. Auto mode adjusts fan speed dynamically, keeping your air consistently clean. Whether in the living room, bedroom, kitchen, or basement, the Core 400 SP provides reliable purification with low energy consumption. Its sleek design, large coverage, and smart functionality make it an essential addition for a healthier home environment. LEVOIT LV600S Smart Warm and Cool Mist Humidifier. The LEVOIT LV600S is a standout humidifier, offering warm and cool mist options to create your ideal home environment. Designed to humidify spaces up to 753 feet squared, it uses hybrid mist technology for even moisture distribution. The Smart VSync app provides control at your fingertips, allowing you to monitor humidity levels, set schedules, or enable auto mode for hassle-free operation. Sleep mode ensures an uninterrupted rest, operating quietly at under 28 dB with no disruptive lights. For plant lovers, the unique plant mode features scan recognition and custom care suggestions. Adding essential oils to the aroma box transforms your room with refreshing scents. Refilling is a breeze with the top-fill design, and cleaning is just as simple. Compared to its predecessor, the LV600HH, the LV600S integrates smarter controls and a top-fill system, elevating your experience. If you're after customizable comfort with intelligent features, this humidifier is a must-have for year-round use. Dreo Fan for bedroom. The Dreo Fan is more than just a fan. It's a versatile air circulator, pedestal fan, and oscillating fan all in one. With 8 wind speeds and 3 modes, it delivers powerful cooling or gentle breezes tailored to your needs. Its bionic blade design propels air up to 80 feet, making it perfect for large bedrooms or living spaces. The ultra-wide oscillation covers every corner, but while manual vertical tilt adds extra adjustability. What sets it apart is the quiet DC motor, running as low as 23 dB, ensuring restful sleep or focused work. It's also energy efficient, using 40% less power than traditional fans. The intuitive remote control and large LED display make operation easy even from across the room. With adjustable height, an 8-hour timer, and easy cleaning, this fan seamlessly fits into your daily routine, offering cool comfort without compromise. Dreo Space Heater. The Dreo Space Heater combines advanced heating with safety and precision. At 25 inches tall, it uses Hyperamic's thermal design to heat rooms up to 270 square feet quickly and evenly. 4 heating modes, including Eco Mode, let you customize warmth while minimizing energy consumption. The thermostat offers 1 degree Fahrenheit precision for optimal comfort. Safety features include a reinforced plug, tip-over protection, and a child lock, ensuring peace of mind in any household. Operating at just 32 dB, it's quiet enough for bedrooms or offices, and the 70-degree oscillation distributes warmth across the room. This heater even doubles as a fan for year-round use. With its sleek design and dependable performance, the Dreo Space Heater is a reliable companion for chilly days. Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System. The Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System takes versatility to the next level. Powered by 1400 watts, its total crushing blades pulverize ice and frozen ingredients with ease. The 72 watts pitcher handles large batches, while the 8-cup processor bowl chops, purees, and even kneads dough. Auto IQ technology simplifies food prep with 5 preset programs, delivering smoothies, frozen drinks, nutrient extractions, and more at the touch of a button. 2 24-ounce single-serve cups with spout lids make on-the-go blending effortless. Whether you're prepping for family meals or quick snacks, this kitchen system delivers professional-grade results in a sleek, modern package. Ninja Air Fryer XL. The Ninja Air Fryer XL redefines healthy cooking with its 5.5 cube capacity and 5 versatile functions. Air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Its powerful convection system cooks up to 3 pounds of food, making meal prep for families quick and efficient. You'll enjoy up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying methods, making guilt-free indulgence easier than ever. The non-stick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, ensuring hassle-free cleanup. With a wide temperature range of 105 degrees Fav to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you can gently dehydrate fruits or achieve crispy perfection. For anyone looking to simplify meals without sacrificing flavor, this air fryer is a game changer. Ninja Woodfire Pro Outdoor Grill and Smoker. The Ninja Woodfire Pro is a game changer for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Combining a grill, BarbQ smoker, and air fryer, it offers versatility like no other. It delivers the authentic smoky flavor you crave, thanks to its Ninja Woodfire technology, which uses 100% real wood pellets for flavor, not fuel. With just half a cup of pellets, you can create a perfect barbecue bark effortlessly. The grill replicates the performance of a full-sized propane model, delivering superb char and searing. Its built-in thermometer ensures precise cooking, so you can relax while your food cooks to perfection. Additionally, the air fryer function lets you enjoy smoky, crispy favorites without stepping indoors. Durable and powered by electricity, the Ninja Woodfire Pro is ideal for all outdoor settings. The included 2 wood pellet blends add an extra layer of convenience and flavor experimentation. Whether you're grilling steaks, smoking ribs, or air frying veggies, this all-in-one marvel makes outdoor cooking easy and enjoyable. Outin Nano Portable Electric Espresso Machine. The Outin Nano Portable Espresso Machine brings cafe-quality coffee to your adventures. Weighing just 670 grams and made of durable stainless steel, this compact espresso maker is perfect for on-the-go coffee lovers. Its 20-bar pressure and self-heating feature produce a rich crema and bold flavors in under 200 seconds. With a 7,500 mAh battery, it powers up to 5 hot espressos per charge and is compatible with both ground coffee and capsules. Its one-button operation simplifies the brewing process, ensuring you get a fresh, smooth espresso with ease. Plus, it charges via USB-C, making it travel-friendly. The leak-proof and insulated design enhances portability, while the 12-month support period offers peace of mind. Whether you're camping, commuting, or working, the Outin Nano delivers barista-grade coffee anywhere, anytime. If you're looking for convenience without compromising taste, this espresso maker is a must-have. KitchenAid Classic Series Tilt Head Stand Mixer. The KitchenAid Classic Tilt Head Stand Mixer is a kitchen icon for good reason. Its durable, all-metal construction and 59 touch points ensure consistent, thorough mixing. With a 4.5-quart stainless steel bowl, you can whip up to 8 dozen cookies in one go, making it perfect for bakers of all skill levels. The tilt head design offers easy access to the bowl, while the 10-speed settings handle everything from gentle stirring to whipping cream. It's compatible with over 10 optional attachments, allowing you to expand its functionality for tasks like pasta making, meat grinding, and more. This stand mixer is as versatile as it is reliable, combining professional-grade performance with user-friendly features. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting, the KitchenAid Classic is an indispensable addition to any kitchen. Crock-Pot Electric Lunchbox. The Crock-Pot Electric Lunchbox is a compact, stylish solution for enjoying hot meals on the go. With a 20-ounce capacity, it's perfect for personal portions of soups, stews, or leftovers. The seal and store lid minimizes spills during transport, making it ideal for commuting or office use. Its detachable power cord adds convenience for storage, while the rubberized soft-touch exterior provides a modern, comfortable grip. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to the dishwasher-safe food container and lid. The sleek black licorice design adds a touch of retro charm to its practicality. Constructed with safe, durable materials, this lunchbox is a dependable companion for busy lifestyles. Whether you're reheating a home-cooked meal or keeping your food warm, the Crock-Pot Electric Lunchbox ensures you'll never settle for cold lunches again. Roborock Q7 Max. The Roborock Q7 Max is a powerhouse robot vacuum that redefines home cleaning. Boasting an impressive 4,200 PA suction, it easily tackles dirt and debris across all floor types. The 3D mapping technology and PreSense LiDAR navigation provide precise room recognition for efficient cleaning paths. Equipped with a 5,200 mAh battery, it delivers up to 180 minutes of runtime, covering large areas without interruption. The Auto Empty Dock offers hands-free convenience, storing dust for up to 7 weeks. Its combined vacuuming and mopping functions ensure spotless results, with customizable water flow settings for different surfaces. Smart features like voice control, child lock, and no-go zones make it user-friendly and safe. Whether you're scheduling cleans or controlling it via an app, the Roborock Q7 Max simplifies daily chores, leaving your home immaculate. It's a must-have for tech-savvy homeowners looking for efficiency and reliability. These 15 tools showcase Amazon's ability to offer practical solutions that make daily life easier and more efficient. From tackling home projects to enhancing your comfort, each tool combines innovative features with top-notch quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a tech lover, or simply looking to simplify your routine, these Amazon finds are perfect for anyone seeking performance, convenience, and style in one package. Ready to upgrade your setup? Click the links in our review to explore these amazing tools and discover how they can transform your everyday life into something extraordinary.